Hello guys, this is Sandip and welcome to my channel Sandip Speaks English. Yes, you have watched lots of my conversation videos with native speaker and you will see more. If you haven't watched, you must go for that. But before, you have to watch this video until end. So guys, during conversation, I realized that to do only conversation doesn't mean that I'm a fluent speaker. Yeah, I can see lots of improvement on myself. It's kill our hesitation, but for a fluent speaker, we need to learn a grammar, vocabulary, etc. So I decided, beside conversation, we will also learn grammars and some interesting fact on it, which boost our speaking skill. And one of the most important thing that I want to say you that I am not a teacher, I am a beginner just like you, and please just think I am your friend. Before we start our lesson, I request you to, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe it and hit the like button if you gain some information from this video. So let's start our lesson. In today's lesson, we are going to learn about some basic fact of grammars. First one, noun. A noun is a name of person, place, things, etc. For example, Delhi, John, books, etc. Where Delhi is a name of place, John is a name of person, books is a name of things. Second is pronoun. Pronoun is a word which is used in place of noun. For example, he, she, it, they, etc. For example, Ram is a good boy, Ram plays very well, Ram goes to school. So every time we cannot take noun. So in place of noun we used he is a good boy, he plays very well, he goes to school. Third is reciprocal pronoun. Yeah, it sounds very confusing. Maybe you think that you haven't heard about this, but I will tell you that reciprocal means equal and opposite. For example, yes, I will tell you, if you are a mathematics student, I am also a mathematics student, so I want to tell you that in mathematics, reciprocal means the product of two numbers which gives the value 1, means that both numbers are equal and opposite. Same as in grammar, reciprocal means equal and opposite. Means, for example, reciprocal pronouns means each other, one another, etc. I will take an example. The couple look into each other's eyes. Fourth is reflexive pronoun. Reflexive pronouns means yourself, myself, himself. These are the words are reflexive pronoun. For example, I cut myself shaving in this morning. Second example, look at yourself. Fifth is adjective. Adjective means a word which shows the property of noun and pronoun. For example, Ram is a good boy, he is an honest man, Sita is beautiful. So, in this example, good, honest, beautiful are the adjective which show the property of noun. Sixth is attribute adjective. Attribute adjective means a adjective which comes before the noun. For example, a new book, an old man, a green shirt, a naughty boy, etc. Where a new book means new is coming before the noun, green shirt, green is before the noun. Seventh is clause. Clause means groups of words in which only one subject and one verb consist. For example, he is going, she eats, she is tired. In all of the example, we can see that he is going means there is only one subject and one verb. She eats, one subject and one verb. She is tired, one subject and one verb. Eighth is elliptical clause, means that adverb clause in which subject, verb or parts of verb are not included. Okay, this definition makes you confused. I will take an example. Firstly, I will take a simple sentence. While we were in Delhi, we visited amusement park every day. Now, if we write in elliptical clause, while in Delhi, we visited amusement park every day. So in this example, we clearly see that we cannot use we were, means subject we cannot include it, but it is hidden. No need to include that. Second example, I will take. He could hit harder than I could. The last one is that emphatic form. Emphatic means effective. Generally, do form, does form is known as emphatic form. For example, do you go shopping? Yes, I do go for shopping every day. Do you like your job? Yeah, I do. Sometimes I do means yes. Second example, he does listen to the radio till 10 o'clock. So guys, how is my video? If you gain something from this video, please subscribe the channel and hit the like button. I will always thankful to you. Thank you.